Hey guys, welcome back to the Cathay Pacific Fleet Updates channel here. With me, Roberto Manico Ignacio speaking, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Oscar Rafael Hui. And today we will be talking about a Cathay Pacific Airbus A330-300 that surprisingly flew to Beijing 2 days ago exactly. And this aircraft is registered at Bravo Hotel Lima Papa. And this aircraft is registered for Beijing and Jakarta because the IATA code for Jakarta, not the other Jakarta airport, is HLP. So this aircraft took her flight number 63820 with a great circle distance of 1,987 kilometers, actual flight time of 2 hours and 2 minutes, and a track of 160 degrees as you can see here. This aircraft took off at Chepdakop Airport at the runway, let's see, runway, actually it's not a runway, at runway 25 left, and then she flew over South China Sea at exactly 9:54 a.m. local time in Hong Kong, and then she flew over mainland China, and then she landed at Beijing Capital International Airport at exactly 12:46 noon time local time there. Excuse me. And for the details of this aircraft, kindly check the previous video about Bravo News Hotel Lima Papa. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Mondo Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Rui. Bye guys and see you on the next update.